Hi, this is Chuck, better known as Low Trade. Tonight I'm going to do a chart on GP Strategies, and the symbol for it is GPX. Now the reason I'm doing this chart is because it's been on watch, and as you can see, this channel is coming down to the bottom, and it has bounced off the bottom several times and is starting to break out, so I'm going to move this to a strong watch. Now if you look at the blue lines, they are the upper extremes or upper limits of the channel, and if you look at the green lines, they're what I call the tradable channel, because I always trade channels for a little bit less. That way I'm have a safety factor built in. This green channel right here is approximately 25%, so if you're swinging from this point down here to this point up here, you're getting a 25% gain on this. Also, as you see, the average time to reach goal is within a week and a half or a week, so it's a pretty quick trade. Now I'm going to start with my entry signals. Usually I use DMI and the 5, 10, and 20 for entry. As you can see up here on the DMI, the positive DI line has already given me an early entry signal by turning up, but the black ADX line is not turned up with it, so there's not been a confirmed entry yet. Once again, down here with your 5, 10, and 20, your 5 has come down and hit the 20 and bounced off and is just starting to turn up. Your 10 is coming down, and so you have an early entry here, and probably the confirmed entry will be within the next day or two as this turns up and the red comes down. Now, the reason that I have a little bit of confidence in that occurring is you can see that the average volume down here, this past candle spike, was doubled. So what's occurred here is after 3 or 4 days of bouncing off the trend line, we've got some strength behind this, doubling the volume, with retail mindset saying it's time to go back up to the top channel. So we're going to move down a little bit and cover the support indicators. Our Scotch RSI is still, or just going out of the out state, and I expect very quickly with the turn that this thing will proceed up to be into the buy entry signal. Down here for your support, this is one of the reasons I feel that this is going to happen very quickly, is as you can see, this thing has had super strong support the entire climb. Normally it's considered anything above 2.5 is very strong pressure on the move in front of you, and this one is double the pressure with double the volume and 2 early entry signals up here and here. Now the last thing that's given me a very positive mindset about this thing turning in the next day or so is we have the sector that I've chosen. It's an educational sector, and it's been really hot lately. Here's the top 20 stocks in the sector, and as you can see, the monthly performances have all been astronomically good. Every so often you're going to see 20 stocks and you got 1, 2, 3, 4 stocks that have not performed. If you take a look at the charts, you're going to see what I'm talking about. Here, pop-up chart. There we go. You can see the runs that they've been under recently. So we have a very, very hot sector. We have very strong pressure. We have a double volume with a breakout candle off the bottom. And we have our entry signals saying early entry, and basically I'm expecting this trade to go positive tomorrow or the next day. I hope you enjoyed the video, and it may help you in your decisions.